Emmanuel Wanyonyi. Just go in the... Yeah. And the third gold we'd like to celebrate is that of Faith Kipyegon. And a fourth gold again by Beatrice Shebet. I'll also now we'll move to silver, and we'll start with Faith Kipyegon, who also won a silver. Makofi ya Faith Kipyegon. Followed by Ronald Kwemoi. Then we'll now celebrate the bronze medals, starting with Mary Mora. Makofi ya Mary Mora. Abraham Kibiwot. Still on bronze, Abraham. Faith Cherotich. Then Benson Kipruto. Benson Kipruto. And last by no means least, Helen Obiri. In absentia. Helen is in absentia. All right, thank you. Your Excellency, that brings us to the end of this session. Thank you, Your Excellency. I am advised, Your Excellency, that the money is already wired to the account. So this was just purely for us to celebrate. Tuwapigie makofi, pesa tayari iko ndani. Thank you.